हेलो भाई बंटी हकल केनेको आसा तुमालोके कैसे हो आप लोग भाई और बहनों so today I'm here back to the channel that you all have been subscribing to, that is Okomia English Hub. Well, आज हम करेंगे where to use a or an. These are the two articles जिसमें हम बहुत ही confuse हो जाते हैं. আমি সদায় ভুল ইউজ কৰোঁ a বা an. So আমি জানিব লাগিব যে a আৰু an আমি ক'ত ইউজ কৰোঁ. So let's get started. But before that, I would like to welcome all the new folks to my channel. Whoever is here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and please do like and share the videos ahead. যাতে আৰু ভাইটি ভণ্টিসকল और भाई और बहनों को सीखने का मौका मिले. These are beginners English and you should be able to grasp it pretty well. So let's get started with what should you choose? Should you choose a or an? All right, so here we go. Next is we will know what the rule is. So usually আমি জানো যে যেতিয়া আমি a use কৰোঁ আমি স্কুলত শিকিছিলোঁ বা টিউশ্যন ক্লাছেছত যে যদি মই a use কৰিম তাৰ মানে কনসনেন্ট লেটাৰ হ'বই লাগিব আৰু যদি মই an use কৰিম তাৰ মানে vowel letter হ'বই লাগিব কিন্তু that's not the rule. You are correct, তুমি correct আছা partially, but partially incorrect to us. So हम a या an बस कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर दैट इज व्यंजन वर्ण के आगे इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. हम स्वर वर्ण को सुनते हैं. We try and listen to the vowel sounds. If the first letter, whatever it is, we only listen to the sound, we do not go by the letter. So that is the rule. Listen to the first sound and not the first letter only. Okay, so that's the first rule, where to use a or an, and that becomes very easy. Now when you use a or an, we generally talk about one, eta. So যেতিয়া আমি এটা বস্তু কওঁ, একো নিৰ্দিষ্ট বস্তু নহয়, but eta, in that case we use a or an. All right, so that's how we use the articles a or an. Now যিহেতু মই তোমাক আগত ক'লো যে you have to listen to the first sound only. So let's get started with that. So these are the steps that you need to follow. Listen to the first sound. Okay, and when you listen to the first, you need to be able to understand the difference, whether it is a vowel sound or a consonant sound. And এটা easy tip দিও না তোমালোকক. যদি তুমি ভাবা যদি এটা ওয়ার্ড ইংলিশত তুমি প্রনাউন্স কৰি আছা, ফার্স্ট সাউন্ড যদি তুমি অ আ ই এইবোৰ শুনা, তাৰ মানে সেইবোৰ হৈছে vowel sounds. আমি লেটাৰত নাই কোৱা দেই, মই কৈ আছো vowel sounds. हम बस sounds को के ऊपर ध्यान देंगे. So when we listen to the first sound, if that is a swar varna in your mother tongue, in that case you will have to use an. Okay, so if it is a consonant sound that you hear, then add an a. If it is a vowel sound that you hear, then you add a an. That's the easy trick to follow. So always listen before using a or an. You need to hear the sound. If you think that is a consonant sound, then you use a. If it is a vowel sound, you use an. Now, how do we identify the sound? I will give you few examples and you will understand the এইবোৰ আচ্ছা এইবোৰ নেকি বাইদেউ আজি আমাক এইটো কৈছে নেকি আমি আজি শিকিব পাইছো দেই and I'm sure about it. So it is বহুত easy, বহুত short video হৈ আছে, so সেইকাৰণে we will end it in just a couple of minutes. All right, so এইবোৰ examples চোৱা. এইবোৰ examples তুমি first letters বোৰ কি পাইছে? H M our left side of bullets আছে H M H. So H আৰু M কি হয়? Consonant হয়, আমি জানো. But যেতিয়া তুমি এইটো pronounce কৰা, তুমি honest কোৱা নে honest? When we write, তুমি যদি নিজৰ মাতৃভাষাত লিখিবা, आप अगर अपनी मातृभाषा में इसे लिखोगे, आपको पहले क्या अक्षर आप लिखोगे जब आप लिखोगे ऑनेस्ट? सो द फर्स्ट अक्षर वुड बी, द फर्स्ट साउंड वुड बी or. So that is a swar varna, that is a vowel sound. That's the reason we will use an honest person. He is an honest person. Now, when we talk about acronyms like MBA, or both ase. So when we say MBA, first sound, when you write that in your mother tongue, you will write A, then ma, M. So A is a vowel sound. That's the reason we will use she is an MBA. Our. Our again. Although there is the letter H, the sound is ah. That's the reason we will use an before our. I will reach in an hour. Easy, no, Hazano? Now that's how simple this trick is. However, many people find it difficult. And I was also given wrong explanations when I used to ask people, and then when I found this trick and I did my own research, now I find that this is one of the easiest rules to remember in grammar. So etu jodi monot thoba, you will be up and using a and an. Okay. Now the previous slide showed about consonant letter but vowel sound. Here we will talk about vowel letter but consonant sound. For example, we know vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Now, U is a vowel sound, vowel letter. But when you write uniform in your mother tongue, the first sound will be Y. Correct? That is Y. Y. Y is a consonant. In Assamese or Hindi will be a Vyanjan Varna. That's the reason we will use a before it. Similarly, university, the first sound is y and not u, or it's not u or a or o, which is not a vowel sound. That's the reason we will write a before it. So European, when you say European also, we always, the first sound that you hear is y. So don't be fooled by the letters, but listen to the sound. So here in this cases, he is wearing a uniform, she studies in a university, he is a European. So that is easy trick to follow. Hoine? Now I will give you an exercise. Tumi saba hetu exercise side tumi nije koribole chesta koriba. Okay? And then the next slide I will show you what the correct answers are. Okay? So it is sai loa tumi, and then let's do it. Okay, sala sage. Now let's look at the answer. Here I have used an old man. It is easy. Here letter O or sound O ase. Next is a. Again, the letter is also a vowel letter and the sound is also a vowel letter. But the second one, you must be thinking, why have I used an before FIR? Because when I say F, the first sound is A, and A is a vowel sound. That's the reason I have used an FIR. Then a union, just like university, I'll use a union. X-ray is also like FIR. When you write X, the first sound that you hear is A. Okay, that's the reason we write an X-ray. So, buzi paisane sobe. Or please shower some love, shower some kindness by sharing my videos ahead. And thank you for being with this journey. And let's make it to 10,000 followers soon. Thank you. I know I'm just at 20 followers, but I'm just being so hopeful and positive. I'm manifesting it. So, ta-da, bye-bye, and thank you for your time.